Good morning, students. I hope you people are fine at home. So now I am here to discuss basic geometrical ideas of class 6. Okay, there is class 6, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is basic geometrical ideas. So, first of all, I need to know what is geometry actually. What is geometry? Geo means earth, okay. Geo means earth, and metry means to measure. Metry means to measure. That is, I can say geometry means measure of earth. Clear? And before going to the chapter, there are some important points to be known. So, to be known, these are the things, basic things that I need to know. The first one is point. Okay, so what is point? The first question is what is point? So point is something that has no length, no breadth, no height. Okay, no length, no breadth, and no height. Okay, that means this one. This is the symbol of point. Okay, and see, this point does not have any length, does not have any breadth, does not have any height, isn't it? So this is point. And the next one is line segment. Line segment. So line segment is a part of a line. Okay, first of all I need to know what is line. After that I'll go for line segment. What is line? Line is nothing but combination of points. See, anything that I need to make, any type of figure, point is needed, isn't it? So combination of points that extend infinitely on both directions. So this is actually the definition of line. Okay, say for example this is an example of line. Yeah, combination of points. See, this line is made up of thousands of points, isn't it? Combination of points that extends infinitely in both the direction. That is, in both the direction you can extend it. This side also you can extend it, no problem. And this, okay, so this is also a line, but it is a curved line. Okay, this side also it is open, this side also it is open. And next one is, now I'll go for line segment. Okay, so I hope you people are getting the point. In line segment, what happens? Line segment is a part of a line. Okay, part of a line with fixed endpoint. With fixed endpoints. Now, what are these endpoints? Endpoints means this that cannot be extended on both the sides. Say for example, this. Here I cannot give any arrow direction. Arrow means that means that can be extended on this side. So this is an example of a line segment. Okay. Say for example, this is A and this is B, and it is denoted by this one A B like this. Okay. And line segment and in line, if it is A and if it is B, then it is denoted by AB, and above the B this direction, line direction, and in line segment this direction. Okay. Now what is ray? Ray means that has one endpoint only. Okay, one endpoint and one open, one endpoint only. Let me take one example. Suppose this one, this is an example of ray. See here, this side is closed. Okay, this cannot be extended, but this side you can extend it. Say for example, if it is A and if it is B, I'll denote it as like this, A B and the sign of a ray. Okay, these are the things that I need to know before going to the chapters. Common concept. So point means that is, it has no length, no breadth, no height, just a point only. And line means that is, that can be extend on both the side infinitely. You can extend this one as much as you can, this side as much as you can, because both side arrow is there and it is denoted by like this. Okay, line segment means this is a part of a line. See, this, it can be said that a line is there and this AB is a part of that line. Okay, and this cannot be extended on both the, neither of the side. You cannot extend this way, you cannot extend this way. Okay, it is denoted by this one. And a ray is, that is one endpoint only. One side is, it is open, you can extend infinitely, but one side you cannot extend. Okay, and the symbol is like this. Okay, you can denote ray as this arrow. So these are the things that you need to know before the chapter going to the exercise. Okay, now let us go for types of lines. So types of lines. Types of lines. Generally there are two types of lines. Okay, one is parallel lines and other is intersecting lines. Parallel lines and the next one is intersecting line. Okay, intersecting lines. These are the very important terms that we need to know before going to the chapter. So parallel line is what? Parallel line is such a line, two lines that have a fixed distance, that have equal distance. Say for example, if this distance is 5 centimeter, then this distance will also be 5 centimeter. This distance will also be 5 centimeter, means the distance is equal. Everywhere the distance between these two lines is equal. The best example is railway track. Have you ever seen railway track? I hope everyone has seen the railway track, isn't it? In railway track, how the lines are like this, isn't it? The tracks are like this. It can go like this, no problem. It can go like this, no problem. But the distance remains the same, isn't it? It can be like this, it can be like this, no problem. But the distance remains the same. Okay. If you see this part only, see this is equal distance of interval of distance set there, isn't it? So this is an example of parallel line. One more example you can say table. You have a table, no? On the top of the table, that is upper part of the table, you have parallel lines. See this line and this line, you have parallel lines. Clear? You can check this mobile also. See this mobile, this is a line and this is a line, isn't it? So this line is parallel to this line. Similarly I can say this line is parallel to this line. So these are the example of parallel lines. The next one is intersecting lines. Intersecting line means the two lines which intersect at a point, at least intersecting at one point, isn't it? So this is intersecting lines. Okay, so intersecting lines, this any lines, say for example any lines, it can be straight line, it can be curved line, no problem. Curved line, say for example this is a curved line and this is a curved line. So these two curved line intersect at a point, isn't it? So those type of lines are called intersecting line, where the lines intersect each other, at a point. Okay, so I hope you people are clear enough, isn't it? So I'll come with the next video. Thank you. And if you have understood this and if your concept is clear, and then subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.